Welcome back. Now, when talking about classkick as a tool for assessment, it is an excellent tool for assessment. As you know, these days, due to COVID, we're not printing any papers, and also we do not have the chance to take the students' notebooks or correct them or mark them. Besides, many of my students are distance learners anyway, so it's really a hassle to ask them to answer in the notebook and then take a screenshot and send it to me, and I just can write on it and send it back to them with their feedback. It's really a hassle when everything can be done here in one slide. Actually, I've given those as a homework, but if I want it as a kind of assessment, I can. So in some slides here, although I did not assign marks for these slides, but I've been adding some of the marks, and these marks were a kind of indication of how the students' work was done. So when their parents came back to me and asked me any feedback about their students, I just had to go back to their answers in classkick and check if they did answer those questions, if they did follow my help over these questions or not. So if you're going to have a look, for example, at one of my classes, you'll find that I've given some of the easy tasks 1 mark, and those which were a little bit more difficult, I've assigned 2 marks for these. So actually classkick can be used as a direct tool for assessment, whether the students are face-to-face or they are DL students. And this is because you can see the slides while they are answering, so you can guarantee or ensure that they are answering right now, and here are the steps and how you're going to grade them. The good thing about grading an assignment here is that I can check by a student's name. I can check by grades, high to low. As you see here, my first student here, I have students who got 31 points, 37 points, and so on. And also, I can grade by the slide. So if I'm going to here, pick up a certain slide, for example, I want to have a look at how the students are doing in the first slide. Sorry, a little bit of glitching here. Technology has some drawbacks sometimes, but most of the time it's fine. So here, if I'm going to pick up by slide, I can pick up, for example, slide 1, and I can have a look at all the students, what are they doing at the same instance. And then I scroll to slide 2, and this is easy, make it easier if you're going to grade the students. Just correct question 1 quickly, then move to question 2 and 3. Now, if they're putting their cams on, you're going to guarantee that those students are answering right now. You're spotting each and every word or letter or number they are writing on their slides. If you'd like to give hints, you'll be able to guide them through the questions, as you see here. So personally, I believe that classkick is a very excellent tool compared to Nearpod, where I have to delete my classes every now and then. In classkick, I have all my assignments there. For example, I sometimes teach the same topic in the first term for a certain grade, in the second for another grade, and so on. So I have my assignments here. I can create my own assessments. and those can be ready here for any exam anytime I'd like to use them. I can change the grading and I can assign it to different rosters in which I add my classes, as you see here. Just pick up the class and assign it to them. Thank you so much. I hope that my brief explanation of the use of classkick in classes and in assessments is going to help you improve your classes. Thank you and bye.